Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am pretty much sure in your journey you have seen lots of scenarios where some logics are not feasible with the flow but are feasible with the Apex classes. Let's suppose there is a scenario where you need to call external API through the Apex class and that class you want to use in the Agentforce agent action. How will you do this? In this video, we will see how we can follow those steps to use the Apex as an agent action. Let's see. First, I will explain this class I have created already for the agent. What I have done here is I have created one method which is a get hotel records, and in this method I am taking input as a list of hotel records and returning back the response as a list of hotel response. You can see here this method is annotated with the invocable method. So whenever you want to use the Apex class in your Agentforce agent action, you have to use this annotation. In this annotation, you have to define the label as retrieve hotel records. You can put anything, and I have provided the description as retrieve all available hotels based on the rating provided by user. And in this class, what I am doing is I am taking a input as a hotel request, and this class is defined below, and it is containing the rating value as an invocable variable. When the user is passing the rating value, so its rating value will be passed to this Apex class. That's why we have aggregated with this variable, and after this it will add all the ratings to the set ratings variable in this set. After this it will calculate the minimum rating to this variable, and it will fetch all the available hotel records based on the rating provided by the user. Let's suppose user asked show me the available hotels. Then Agentforce agent will ask to provide the rating first. And when user pass the rating value, let's suppose it gave the rating as 4 and 5, so it will fetch the all the available hotel records which has 4, 5 and greater than 4 rating, and after that it will store all the response in the hotel response class, and it will return to the hotel response class. You can see the hotel response class is containing the list of hotel records, which is also annotated with the invocable variable, so that whenever the response is retrieved from this Apex class, that is passed via the agent action to the user. So this is our Apex class. Here main point is whenever you want to use the Apex class as a custom action in the Agentforce agent, you have to use this annotation. After that, you can only use this Apex class. So the next step is you have to go to the Agentforce asset library. Or you can go in this asset library. First of all, you go to the setup and you have to type the you can type the agent as well. Here you have the Agentforce assets. So this will open this as Agentforce asset library. Here you have to click on the new topic. I am giving the name as show available hotels. Show available hotels. Here we have to provide the description which helps Agentforce to determine when we will execute this topic. So I will use this topic will show all available hotel information when customer asks to provide the hotel information based on ratings, right? Now we have to provide the scope, like what is the limitation of this topic, what are the action this topic will perform and what are the action this topic will not perform. So I am going to give the job here is, your job is to provide hotel information to the user based on rating, right? Now I will add one instruction here, like when customer asks to provide the information regarding hotel, then first ask the rating. Now it is fine, we can click on next. Here we have to add the agent action. So we have not created yet, so we will create after this, and we can click on finish. We'll create a new agent action. Here we will choose the apex as an agent action, and here we will use the invocable method. You can see here I'm able to see the retrieve hotel records because I have used that annotation in this apex class, this one. And here I will give the API name as by apex. We'll click on next. Here in the agent action, I have provide retrieve all available hotel based on the rating provided by user. I can say getting information. And in this rating input, I have to provide the rating. So what I will say is pass the rating given by user. And I will check this checkbox require input. And in the output, it will store all the information of the hotel records. Store all the available hotel information. Now I will check this show in conversation because I want to show all the available hotels information in the chat. Then I will click on the next. It is finished. Now what I will do is I will go to the setup and type agent and will go to the Agentforce agents. Here I have already created the service agent, so I will just add this topic and action to this Agentforce service agent. I have opened this. Now I can click on the new button. Here I can add from the asset library I have already created. I will add the same topic here and I will click on the finish. So I have successfully added the topic here. And if you go to the actions, here I will add the action from the asset library. The name is retrieve hotel records. You can see here it is a newly created agent action, and we click on finish. Yeah, so we have successfully added our topic and action. Now we can test it. We can say show me hotel details. Simply I am giving the prompt here. Let's see what it will do. So it is asking for the same ratings I can provide. So I will say 4 and 5. You can see it has provided the information which has 4.5 and 4.0 rating, right? Here one point is need to make sure that you have provided all the permissions of your objects to your Agentforce service agent user. After that, it will show you all the information that you have fetched through the Apex class. I hope you like this video and you have learned a lot of things from this video. If you have any query, feel free to ask and comment below. Make sure you subscribe this video and follow for more such kind of videos. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.